If black contains all the colors in the crayon box, what contains black? Okay, practice with me. If. Your eye hand, put your palm in and touch right under your eye. If, black. Your one hand just goes across just above your eyebrows right there. Black. Contains. So you pretend like you have all this stuff around your hand here, and you're going to grab it all and contain it inside your support hand. So, contains, all. Your lead hand starts palm out, and it goes out and around and under your support hand, comes up between your support hand, between it and your body, and it ends resting on the palm of your support hand. Both hands end palm in. So, it looks like this. All. The colors. You're going to wiggle your fingers on your chin. Colors. In. Put your lead hand in your support hand. In. The crayon. So now you're going to take your colors, and it's the ones you draw with or you write with. Colors. My first finger and my thumb are together across my support hand. Colors. Crayon. Crayon. Box. B, 2 X's, and here's the sides of the box, and then you have the top and the bottom of the box. So B, 2 X, box. What? Palms up, fingers out. What contains black. Okay, say it with me now. Ready? If black contains all the colors in the crayon box, what contains black? Or, if black contains all the colors in the crayon box, what contains black?